is up, YouTube, and welcome back. Me and Nick officially back from iCast. Today we're gonna be doing the kitty rod fishing challenge. Show them the rods, Nick. Nick's using the frozen rod, and I'm gonna be using the Spider-Man rod. Nick picked a green pumpkin with like a yellow tip at the end, and I picked the baby bass, or not baby bass, Smoky Shad from Strike King. And I think I'll catch some on that. Nick's he already caught a 7-pounder today on that one color. It's gonna be a good video for you guys today. If you guys are new here, please make sure to smash that subscribe button, turn on that bell for post notifications. Catch you guys out in the water. See if we can get on some fish. Pick your rod.
You already know. Gotta go with old frozen.
No, pick your bait.
My bait? Oh no. You already know what we're going with here. Lunker Hunt. Right there with the neon tips.
Good stuff.
Alright, Levi, what rod you going with here?
Gonna go with the old Spider-Man action.
Alright, let's see the bait.
Bait? Probably gonna go with the Senko. Yeah, the Strike King Sexy Shad. We're out here, guys. There it is. Smoky Shad right there by Strike King with my little Spider-Man Spider-Man rod. I hope I hook into a big one. This thing is cast terrible.
Oh my god. Look at that sling. I feel nothing. I can't even feel anything. Like on it.
This is funny. There's literally no drag system to these rods, guys, but if we catch one, it's gonna be funny. It's gonna feel like a 10. I can't even sling this thing out there. It goes like 2 feet. Get in the sock.
Oh yeah.
Did you see me shock that? I almost fell flat on my face. Should we get on to the good spot?
Where's the good spot?
It's barely even cast, guys. It barely even cast. It's like run and whip it.
Oh, yeah, that's sling. That's what you call an absolute bomb.
There we go. Oh, I had one. I just missed one. Hey, that could have been a big one because it went straight for the deep.
Oh! Levi's on in the same fish.
There we go. We're on. We got one. Get him up here. First fish on the kitty rod, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that bass on the kitty rod. See you, buddy. Oh my god. Little Spider-Man rod right here. Thinking no drag system at all. Just straight up hoping it hits it and gets a good hook set. That was awesome.
Yeah, that's rough.
We actually talked to the owner of Strike King at iCast. He was telling us about how this Smoky Shad color is a good color for up north. The kitty rod. The kitty rod. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Two, my second fish on the kitty rod. See you, buddy. We're on. Oh yeah. You're gonna snap the line. Peace. That was funny. Hey, cast it right off the shore. There's another one, guys. Nick. Ripping them. Not a bad one at all. Peace, buddy. Nick, pitch it right off the shore. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. We caught like about 15 fish total on the little miniature rods. If you guys are new here, please make sure to smash that subscribe button and let us know down below in the comments if you'd like for us to take these mini rods trout fishing or any type of other fishing. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.